I have a pancake.
I have an art.
Pancake art.
We're going to share that with you.
So hey guys, what's up? And thank you for tuning in again this Sunday to check out what we have been up to. Now, this week we decided we'd take a trend that some may say is going out of style. Some may say we're a little late to it. That doesn't matter because we do what we want on this show.
Yeah.
We set the trend. We're bringing this trend back for this 1 week and then it's going to be gone. I guarantee it.
So, what we did was we took pancake and art and we made pancake art. So,
So we went head to head this week. Don't show them yet.
okay.
We went head to head
Okay.
in a pancake art contest. And we each made one pancake with no practice leading up to it.
Maybe.
And here is us making those pancakes.
So hey guys, I'm first. My griddle thing is all heated up and I got my pancake batters already. So I'm going to start off with black. Here we go. Oh, it's terrible. Do you know what it is? It's not at all what this yellow, right? It's not at all what it's supposed to look like. It's a huge pancake. This is white.
Get out.
So, it looks exactly like yellow. And I really messed up, guys.
You have enough white?
Oh my god! No! She's got a clog. This is my second time now because my first time failed pretty bad. Well, it didn't really fail bad. It just didn't turn out too good and I made it way too big. So I'm going to start here again, make the same thing. Just make it a little smaller this time. Oh. Perfect! Let's go! Yeah, alright. So do you want to play right now? Make me feel this! So hey guys, it's my turn and I'm gonna make my pancake art now. So here you go, I'm starting on my plates. I did. Okay, I'm starting. Why?
Obviously, I told you to.
I did. I thought it worked. I didn't make it long enough. I made too long. Just...
I mean, so big, but you so big.
Oh.
The other side will be fine.
Yeah, hold on.
Just put it on you. Stop touching it. What about it?
It's really good. You have the best one ever.
You have nothing?
Sure.
You have nothing?
It's good. I'll put that back away. Give it. You want that? X better?
Oh, now you did it. Very good. Solid clip.
That looks good.
Very good solid clip.
That looks good, except that. I just can't overset it on pancake edge. So, there it is. You guys.
So, hey guys, I'm here now with the final pancake in the pancake art contest. I got 3 colors, blue, tan / normal pancake, and black. So let's get into this. I'm gonna start with my. I don't know. We're gonna start with the blue, actually, because why not? I'm just gonna.
But that's good enough for pancake art, you know? Then we're gonna take this tan, focus tan. We're just gonna. Oh yeah, this is looking good so far. That was perfect so far. You kidding me? Then we're gonna do that and that. That cook for a second. Do a few dark marks in there. Let that cook. I'm not gonna roll. We're gonna let that cook. And.
You might fill it in. Okay, this is not pancake art.
Fill it in.
How's that?
Put that cook for a second. You gonna stick GoPro play? I overfilled the cake. No, it's not bubbling yet. Look for the bubbles, you know? Are you ready? Tell you how much goes up. That's for sure. Come on. We get bubbles yet?
So, we're here. We have our 3 pancakes in front of us. There was no practice leading up to it. There's Colin's pancake.
So I attempted to make the Snapchat symbol. My first one was way too big, so it just messed up and fell apart. But this one, I'm proud of it, except for this little left dot. Take that out of there. This one is gonna win.
I'm a little scared with the competition so far.
Here comes the winner, baby. Look at that ice cream cone. Look at that, dude. Mint tip. He messed up those 2 lines.
Yeah, what are those, dude?
Yeah.
It's extra burnt, dude. Waffle cone.
Well, this is actually good. Like, does anyone not see my Snapchat symbol? Like,
hey, we haven't brought out the winner. We haven't brought out the winner yet.
That's mine.
Now, before I say this, as you guys saw, I made one, and I ended up having to do it again because I forgot that when I flipped it, it was going to be the opposite way.
Oh my God.
And so I made a perfect one, but when I flipped it, it was opposite. So I did another one, and I totally got mixed up what side was what.
Terrible.
So as you can see, it's the sign back there, like, you can't tell a difference. Like,
Guys, who do you think?
like,
I eat honestly.
you can't tell
I
a
eat mine.
difference between
Yeah.
that, like that. Oh!
But can you flip your pancake?
That isn't
Oh
me.
my God, it's all falling apart.
No, listen. So, look.
Oh my God.
It says the BMC show, and there's a Sharpie leak. Okay? So, Mason.
I won. Comment down below who's your favorite was. Or who won. Who do you think won? Yeah. And time for the Yang Yang wheel. Little chocolate chip.
Last week, we spun a bad deed, and for that, we did this. Hey guys, I'm here with this week's bad deed, and what I'm doing is taking an egg, gonna blow all the egg insides out into this, and then take the hollow shell and go pretend to crack it on Mason's head. Hey Mason!
Hey.
What's up?
What?
Can you come here for a second?
You better not throw an egg at me.
I'm not gonna throw nothing at you.
Fine.
Look at this egg I made. It's a custom egg.
Yeah, I know. It was a yolk.
What?
It was a yolk.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Oh. Listen, come on,
What's
dude.
in there?
Let me just crack it. You already spoiled the bad deed.
What's it?
Don't be a rotten egg about it. Mason, this was gonna be excellent.
Don't say.
Mason.
Stop. Wait, is it empty? I'll let you do it. It's empty.
Oh, it wasn't fully empty. So that was our bad deed. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and leave a comment down below who you think won. And thanks for watching, liking, and commenting. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And go like us on Instagram, where you can see behind-the-scenes pictures and videos, including this episode, past episodes, and future episodes. And tune in next week to see our
Upside down shot.
bad deed again. That's 3 or 4 weeks in a row now. Tune next week to see that, guys. And yeet!
Around, and if you stop, fall off, or hit any of the obstacles, you'll be out. And then it's like last man standing. Like whoever falls last wins.